Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Lamhal. And the song that we are going to react to is Only for Love. We do reactions only for love. Let's listen to the song Only for Love. This is our first time saying the take on this reaction.
Yeah, the love for music, the love for getting together and enjoying music together is what keeps us here, is why we are here in the first place. Let's get started with our first time single take honest reaction, a spontaneous impromptu review of Limahl and the song Only for Love.
If that's your problem, don't let it show. You will find yourself deceiving. Love can be unsure. Keep high level here, maintain your pride. Then you can face the situation straight in the eye. And this is Shirley, and she comes on to run, and she smells that smell that leads you on. Try to see it through, playing out your part, making certain when you give your heart, it's only for love. Only for love. Love was never planned ever before. Some have spent their whole life searching, old and insecure. But suddenly as fate, love will arrive, and you recognize the feeling. You're on fire. And this is Charlie as she moves in close. When she moves that move, there's no suppose. You find your heart when you're apart. But when you give your heart, it's only for love. Only for love. When you give your heart, it should be only for love. Give your heart only for love. Only for love. Give your heart only for love. Only for
Okay. Nice. I like the pace of the song, the way it goes. I like the music as well, and Only for Love. That's what he kept on emphasizing on. It sounded good. It sounded good on the first listen, Only for Love, and then the background sound that came. Ooh, I don't think that was done by him. It was done by others. It sounded good for the first listen. Definitely, it sounded good. It started like a tiny guide for love and how you should approach it, how you should go towards it, and then continues how you exchange things, a guy and a girl between each other, and you do things only for love. It begins with only for love, it continues also only for love, the things that you do. So, quite, sensible in approach, I would say, when it was written as lyrics. And musically, music was interesting. The drum sounds were different, like electronic sound. The guitar and all were usual. Something like the Cars, I would say. The Cars have similar sound to it,
Yeah.
isn't it?
It was upbeat, it was cheerful, it was entertaining and interesting to listen to this song too. I don't know if there was much of the guitar in here, but it seemed more like all the synthesizers.
Yeah.
The synthesizers doing most of the job. What I liked about it was the chorus when the backup singers or the other members of the band probably come in and they do the do.
That was more
That,
feminine voice.
yeah, it was done very well, and that makes it a lot better to listen to, a lot more romantic, a lot more alluring to listen to it. Beautiful song with a nice, straightforward message, which was repeated most of the time. The main chorus, the main hook, which says only for love. Everything is done only for love. Keeping on love in mind, everything is done, everything is planned. Whatever has happened only for love. And whatever will happen also probably will be only for love. Though he does clear out that, earlier things were not planned and all that. Love wasn't planned. And then goes on to describe this smile and other things. So yeah, it boils down to love. When you're in love, definitely your life revolves around it. Your life centers on it and revolves around love. It is everything. It is the core. It is the stem. It is the root. It is everything that you want and ever wanted. And when you feel that way, you don't want it to ever end. And unfortunately, in our world, for most of us, it does end at some time or the other, and that's the unfortunate bit about it. But if you have this kind of mindset and attitude, perhaps it will last forever, and it will always be bubbly and cheerful. Who knows? There might be something in here that I couldn't get the way it was put together. There were lines like, "You will find itself deceiving. Love can be unsure. Keep a level head, maintain your pride. Then you can face the situation straight in the eye." So there were lines like that, which does hint at perhaps love can be manipulative. Love can lead you astray. So be focused. Don't let it perturb you, disturb you, prove to be an obstacle for your everyday routine. Be focused and keep your head straight and chin up and love sincerely, probably. I don't get all those lines on the first listen, but there is more to it. And definitely it is probably kind of opposites.
Yeah.
But it means that, okay, it's all for the good of love.
In today's time, it's very, very, very rare to come across two people who actually came together due to pure love for each other. Why I say that? Not because people don't want to and people don't believe in love anymore, but it is the way we live, it is the way our lifestyle has turned, it is the kind of activities that we do, it is the social structure that has changed, that love is somewhere but not the direct thing between two people. It's somewhere around, but people don't have it directly between each other as a couple, as a pair, as two people. Why I say that? Because we have so many social obligations to fulfill as two individuals before entering into a relationship with someone else. Without even knowing, without even realizing how many things we approve of, how many things we are confirming by attaching oneself to the other one. For example, there is social status, there is financial status, there is educational status, there is family background, there is religious status, there is all sorts of things. Colors also matter in certain parts and things like that. So can we really call it is pure love and only for love two hearts come together? I doubt. It's once all of those parameters, very quickly, we are so trained by now as humans, once we have grown up by the age of 18, 20, 25, we are so well versed with the social fabric of our society that we very quickly evaluate many things at once when we see someone. So is it pure, by fluke, something connected with two human beings and we are in love with each other? That rarely happens.
Yeah, like the line in the song says, making certain when you give your heart, it's only for love. So that should be the guiding mantra for you.
That's not the case in
When you
reality.
give your heart, it should be only for love, purely for love.
Yeah.
In other words, that's it for this reaction. Lots more coming your way, lots more already online for you to listen to along with us and hear our honest, sincere, open review on it.